Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Messenger chat heads not showing. So you have to just simply open the your Messenger app on your Android device. Black is for privacy. I locked her, and when it's open, so you have to the top left of three horizontal line of settings and click to gain settings of the top right corner. So you have to scroll down to find chat heads and you will turn it off and on for refreshing, and you will have to open it and go back to the on the home screen, and you have to check the updation of Messenger app. So sometimes it will be giving error when you will not update. So my Messenger app is already updated, so you will have to check the Messenger information of apps. So you have to open the phone settings and go to apps information, and when you open the app information you will find the Messenger app, and you have to click to storage for clear cache. So and also you will clear the data, so you have to clear your data and you clear cache for 0 kbs, so it will be hopefully working. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.